Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to enable and use live captions on Windows 11. You can use it also for any video on your laptop. So, let's start. First, we will open a video to see that the caption is not enabled.
Hello my friends, I hope to find Techno Labs videos are useful for you. This video, to show how live captions work.
As we can see, the live captions are not working. So, let's enable it. Right-click on the Start menu, click Settings. Also you can open the Start menu and search for Settings. Go to Accessibility. Open Captions. You will find Live Captions off. Turn it on. It will ask you to download the package. Click Download, and it will download it, and install it. Now it's ready to caption. We will open the video again to test it.
Hello my friends, I hope to find Techno Labs videos are useful for you. This video, to show how live captions work in Windows 11.
It's working fine. We can change the position on it to bottom or floating on screen. Also, we can change the style. White on black.
Hello my friends, I hope to find Techno Labs videos are useful for you. This video, to show how live captions work in Windows 11.
Or yellow on blue.
Hello my friends, I hope to find Techno Labs.
Or use the default style.
Videos are useful for you. This video, to show how live captions work in Windows 11.
That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.